Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to change Waze north up. So, to do this process, first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, over here, you would just simply go ahead and select the menu icon on the top left corner of the screen. Now, here on the menu icon, you could just simply go ahead and go through the settings. Now, guys, over here on the settings, you could just simply go ahead and go for the map display, the second option over here. And as you can see, to change the Waze north up, you should be able to turn it on over here and turn it off. Or guys, alternatively, when the map is moving, tap the screen to reveal a small compass icon, and you can just simply tap it to instantly orient north to the top, though this might require enabling over here show compass. So make sure to select show compass so you should be able to utilize this feature to have the north up feature. So pretty much over here guys, you should be able to change ways north up, and this is the feature that you could utilize in order for you to have a better map display into your Waze application. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.